Today I am going to show you how to make this simple troll car to send your friends flying away. Here is everything you need on screen to build this car. We are first going to make a simple car with whatever blocks you want. Now we are going to make the part where it sends players flying. For this part, make sure you turn on match rotation before putting the hinge on the harpoon. Now use your binding tool to unbind everything from the chair. Select all the balloons and the glue block and bind it to the chair. Set the key bind to Q. Now select and bind the harpoon to the chair and set the key bind to F. Select the balloons, hinge, harpoon, and glue blocks with the property tool and turn off collision and set the transparency to 100%. Now save your build and you're done. To use the car, you first fire the harpoon with the F key, then to set them flying, you press the Q key. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and hope you all have a great day.